Amazon's simple storage service, Amazon S3, commonly known as S3, is a powerful and versatile object storage service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. Let's dive into the details. What is Amazon S3? Amazon S3 is designed to store and manage large amounts of data in a highly scalable, durable, and secure manner. It offers industry-leading features such as scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Customers of all sizes and industries can use S3 for various use cases, including data lakes, storing and managing data for analytics and big data processing, websites, hosting static website content, HTML, CSS, images, etc. Mobile applications, storing user-generated content, media files, and app data. Backup and restore, safeguarding critical data by creating backups. Archiving, long-term storage of infrequently accessed data. Enterprise applications, storing application data and logs. IoT devices, collecting and analyzing data from Internet of Things devices. Big data analytics, storing and processing large datasets. Key features of Amazon. S3, scalability. S3 can handle virtually unlimited amounts of data. Data availability. Data stored in S3 is highly available and durable. Security. S3 provides access controls, encryption, and compliance features. Performance.